on the middle class here. It's not about SPG. It's about Neoma. Is
For
there
the
going to be
middle
some
class.
hope for the middle class?
Look at the
Are we
amount
going to
of
give? Are we going to give into this the sort of policy where we scrap everything, which is very very sort of US
look at
commercialism being
the
inserted
annual
in the system,
economic
Neoma?
cost, sir.
To you,
Sir, look at
Neoma.
the annual economic cost of
Neoma.
scrapping these
Neoma,
vehicles,
to you.
which are absolutely
Or
perfectly
do I
running.
interrupt you?
Neoma.
He's way
Yes,
over
please go
the
ahead, Neoma.
Okay, so see, it's not about hitting the middle class or any segment. The fact that they've rolled it back, Kartike, it's because there's no inconvenience to any citizen whatsoever. So we also understand the larger and the shorter picture of it. While we are taking a technical step, which was given by the NGT, then endorsed by the Supreme Court, and the CAQM, our minister has written to it, is because one has to see a harmonious integration of policy for any purpose whatsoever and course correction for it. So this is not about hitting any segment of society, any class. So let's not belittle a concept. Over here everybody's lungs are deteriorated because of the we've had so many debates on your channel itself where you have relentlessly spoken
Numa,
about
the
this
real
topic.
issue is,
Okay,
it's
the
such a
real
nuance.
issue is
Numa, one more thing. The real issue is the 2T engines, the two-wheelers, they are causing the maximum pollution. But we understand that if we take them off the road, what will the poor people do? But there's also another thing. You have those cars which have been purchased by people, middle class, and you are asking them to scrap it, even if they are
Kartikeya,
doing well.
this was given by the NGT, then by the Supreme Court. It has been long in running. It should have been done many, many years back. If it was done many, many years back within a correct time frame, we wouldn't have such an inconvenience to so many number of people. So please see, the history of the practicality was completely avoided by the previous governments. However, over here, the fundamental purpose of BJP government is to reduce pollution and to take all necessary steps, but not at the inconvenience of every segment. It's not easy to roll back a policy which has been implemented in 48 hours because one listens to the people, and we are not an echo chamber of their thoughts. We are doing what we think is correct in the larger interest of the people. It is not, we are not going to make any decisions which will hit any segment whatsoever. There are ongoing comprehensive actions which are happening. I was listening to the environmentalist also. The government has been taking vast measures since the time we've come into play. Sometimes some measures work, sometimes they don't work. But over here, whatever needful has to be done will be done by the BJP government with harmonious integration of the people.
Question to you, Akash, is why did Aam Aadmi Party decide to go for the age principle and not the pollution principle? That is my question to you. Because it's a legacy decision. Your government was there.
So when the policy came, as earlier I said, it was NGT's order, not government's order.
But it could have been contested.
No, it's not about contesting. It was ordered by Supreme Court and it was ordered by NGT. And now, as BJP spokesperson said earlier, they claim that it's a SC order. It was a SC order. They are claiming the SC order. Now they have taken back the policy, and after facing the public aggression, they have taken back the policy, and now it seems that they doesn't obey the Supreme Court order. Why they have taken back?
But you see, I am
Now
not
why they
saying
have
anything
taken
in
back?
defense of BJP, sir. But the
No,
basic principle of democracy is
it was
that the power to change
always
policy lies with
BJP
the elected
comes up with the
representative, and the job
anti-political.
of the court
Mr.
is to look at
Karthike,
the
let me speak.
constitutionality of it.
Karthike,
I
Mr.
understand that.
Karthike, let me speak. Karthike, let me speak. Always it happens, BJP comes up with the anti-people law and they have taken back laws. कभी ये काले कानून लेके आते हैं, they have
Sir, let's
came
keep
up
it to
with
the
the
car.
anti.
Let's keep it to the car.
Obviously,
You
he's
want to
not
criticize them on
giving
car?
an
Let's keep it to the
I'm
car.
giving an example.
Haan, no,
I'm giving an example.
Keep it to the car.
I'm giving an example. As I have given the example of demolishing the clusters, that was also anti-people law.
Akash, let's not
last
trivialize this debate.
4-5
People are so worried right now. उनको अपनी गाड़ियां बेचनी पड़ रही हैं. I mean, in this country, when you say middle class, it becomes a joke. अरे आप तो अमीरों की बात कर रहे हैं. But the fact of the matter is the entire country will be middle class.
Now what BJP now they should do, they should do for the people.
Explain what?
After facing the public, they have announced the policy that there will be no fuel refilling for the vehicle up to after 10 years or more than 10 years or more than 15 years for the petrol and diesel respectively. So now after facing the people's aggression, they have taken back the order of Supreme Court. Now is that means earlier they were claiming that Supreme Court had ordered. Humne nahi kiya, it was Supreme Court. Now they have taken back. So they doesn't they obey the Supreme Court?
Can I just say, I think
Immediately.
BJP is doing,
I'll make it very quick because I don't
it's
think the Aam Aadmi
completely-
Party
it's completely-
spokesperson knows the meaning
I'm
of
letting Neoma
democracy.
respond to it.
Yeah, I don't think the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson knows the meaning of democracy. It's a government of, for, and by the people. And when it course correction, sir, shows strong leadership and not weakness. And we will do everything whenever required. We govern for the people, not for our
And then why
selves.
don't you
And
first
this,
prepare
let me,
yourself and then
Karthikeyan,
pass
you
any
cannot
policy,
interrupt.
ma'am?
There is a protocol to debate. Kindly keep quiet when I'm talking.
Then
And this
you-
attitude is reflected from the conduct of our cooperators. For us to roll back today, what was happened was because we saw the inconvenience of the people. We are requesting the CAQM to integrate it in the NCR and take away the technical flaws.